In today's video, I'm going to teach you Facebook Ads Tutorial 2026, 5 minutes. We'll walk through setting up a straightforward, effective campaign in Meta Ads Manager so you can promote your business with confidence. First, make sure you have a Facebook business page and access to Meta Ads Manager. That's where all campaign setup, billing, and reporting happens. Once you're in, start a new campaign and pick an objective. Choose the one that matches your real goal: awareness to get your brand seen, traffic to send people to your website, engagement for likes and comments, leads to collect contact info, or sales to drive purchases or conversions. Picking the right objective helps Meta optimize delivery toward the outcome you care about. Next, set your budget and schedule. A daily budget spreads your spend evenly each day and is great for testing. A lifetime budget sets a maximum over a date range and lets you schedule specific hours or days, useful for limited promotions. Add a clear start and end date so you control spend and avoid your ad running longer than planned. Now define your audience. Start with location, age, and language. Use detailed targeting to add interests and behaviors aligned with your offer, and consider excluding existing customers if the ad is for new acquisition. If you're new, Advantage Plus Audience can help by letting Meta expand to similar people when it finds better results. Aim for an audience that's specific to your offer but not so narrow that delivery becomes expensive. Choose placements next. Your ads can show across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. For beginners, Advantage Plus placements, also called automatic placements, are recommended because Meta will test and shift spend to where performance is strongest. If you must customize, prioritize mobile-friendly placements. Now design the ad. Pick a format such as single image or video or carousel for multiple items. Use high-quality visuals, clear branding, and captions on videos. Write concise primary text that leads with the value, a punchy headline, and a relevant call to action like learn more or shop now. Match the creative to the objective and keep one main message. Mobile-first sizes, like square or vertical, tend to perform well. When you're happy, click publish. Your ad will go through a policy review, which can take a short while. If it's rejected, adjust wording or imagery to comply with guidelines. Finally, monitor performance in Ads Manager. Track reach, click-through rate, cost per result, and conversions. Pause underperformers, test new creatives, and scale winners gradually. That's your complete setup from start to finish.